Out. Welcome back to the channel. Out on my way to hustle early this morning. 5:45. You gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it. Gotta get it, right? Shit. Somebody else wanna say excuse me about that. I'm gonna take another stick and push another one of them cameras over. Fuck them speed cameras. But shit, you gotta get out early. Early bird gets the worm, right? Know what they say, early bird gets the worm? One early bird today. I had trying to get it. Especially, I wanna get my little nigga, RIP Scoop, I wanna get his daughter the same dog that I got my daughter. I asked his mama a couple days ago, that his daughter likes to play with baby dolls, cause his daughter probably maybe only 6 months younger than mine. Both our daughters close in age. When my girl was pregnant, she was probably 5-6 months pregnant before his girl became pregnant. So, our daughter's close in age, and he got to end up getting killed back in March. So, I asked his mama, I said, I ain't gonna say her name, I'm like, but do she like to play with baby dolls? She was like, OMG, yes, she love them. So I'm gonna see about getting this, when I'm done, doing these couple hustles today. Let me see about getting this daughter a dog, wrapping it up, and dropping it off at, easy same way, wherever his baby mama at. I ain't even gonna call him his baby mama. Gonna call her his baby mama, cause he ain't hate her, so I ain't gonna need to do that. I'm gonna reach out to his lady and see where she at, If she nearby, whatever, in my route, I'm gonna take it to her, like I had told his mama, I just wrap it up and take it to to his grandma's house, and get picked up from there, so. I was finna say Impala SS. It might be a Caprice. Yeah, that's a Caprice. Ain't no SS on the side. Ain't no Impala SS thing on the side. People really try to take Caprices and try to clone them as an SS. So ain't no Impala SS, name on the side on a quarter panel. So it's a Caprice. Just trying to make it look like an SS. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing today. That's what I plan on doing. And it's just, I thought about my little nigga the other day, and I said I should do it. My little nigga was there for me. When the bullets went flying, when the bullets started flying, I seen what he did. I seen he was, I seen how he reacted. Last year when I had a altercation last year with y'all know about, and he was there. He gave me a big hand on that. So it was like, like I had told him, riding till the wheels fall off. That's why, when he fucking died, that shit hurt me. And I reached out and I said, look, I don't care who gonna be the pallbearers. I want to be one of them. told him riding till the wheels fall off. I meant that. When I say wheels fall off, till the wheels fall off. And it was just like, there's just loyalty, you loyal to a motherfucker. If a motherfucker die, you carry them. But that's all for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and play my music and get on with this morning trip. Catch y'all in the next one.